So our WALT is that we're going to add 3 or more numbers by first making up pairs that add up to 10. When we have numbers and we round them up so that we're adding in tens, it makes adding so much easier. So our example today is that Millie iced 6 cakes, Sam iced 7 and Miri iced 4. So how many did they ice altogether? So what we're going to do is we're going to look for the bit of a pattern, and we're going to try to add, we're going to say 6 plus 7 plus 4, but we can actually say 6, oops, here's our 6, oops, here's our 6, and then we know that 6 plus 4 equals 10, so that's nice and easy. So 6 plus 4 equals 10. And then we've got a 7 left over, so we can then say 10 plus 7 equals 17. So we know that 6 plus 7 plus 4 equals 17. So we're linking the numbers that make 10